It's been a few hours. I'm gonna clock out for the day. Tomorrow, we're gonna be changing this. I gotta go get more paint and finish painting the rest of the ceiling here. I did all the baseboards down there. I'm done with that. I still gotta probably do another coat on the window over there. Another coat on the wood panel door right here, or sorry, wood panel wall. It looks way better than the brown that was on there. Hopefully that's gonna give us some more light, because this room only has that little window and the sun goes from this side to this side, so we barely get any light. Maybe around like noon typically we'll get a little bit of light in here, but hopefully with the all white, that'll give us more light in the room. And I'm gonna call it a day. That's it for the vlog, guys. Dang it, this thing keeps getting blown up. It's been so windy lately that this rug keeps getting blown back every single time the wind blows. It just flips it right over. I think I need to add some weight or something to it. Man, it's even colder today than it was yesterday. Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Saturday, and yes, it's colder than it was yesterday. Google told me this morning that it was 18 degrees, or feels like 18 degrees, and it does feel like 18 degrees. So yeah, I didn't get my jacket. I just ran out of the house. I actually don't like wearing jackets. They're just too bulky. Unless it's like snowing and stuff like that, then I'll wear a jacket. But it's just when I'm running out of the house, I just throw on a hoodie. I'm just going from the house to the car, so I don't play outside like I used to when I was a kid, and that's when I would wear it. But yeah, yesterday I didn't get to finish my project, so today we're gonna go get some more paint, and I thought I'd bring you guys along today as well. Hello.
Hey there, how's it going? How can we help you today?
Can I do a venti ice shaken espresso with oat milk, please?
Yeah, grande ice shaken, brown sugar, oat milk shaken espresso.
Yeah, and then I'll do the spicy falafel pocket. Yo, I'm really breaking my fast. I haven't, typically I fast until about 1 o'clock every day. Like, I don't eat until 1 o'clock. I usually have a black coffee in the morning, and that's it, and just water until about 1, 2 o'clock sometimes. Sometimes I'll skip that meal too, and I'll just eat dinner, and I feel great. Honestly, I feel like a lot of energy. I've been fasting for a while, on and off, but I did do fasting for like 2 years, very, very consistent, and I felt like the best I have ever felt in my body, like my whole life. And I want to get there again. It's becoming a lot harder now that I'm older. I don't know if it's just like a stress. I do have more kids now, more responsibilities. Business is a lot bigger than what it was before, so I think my mind is just too busy, and sometimes having a shaken espresso or, you know, a little spicy falafel, whatever you call this thing, pocket, just feels good in the morning, especially on the weekends. I don't know, I feel like on the weekends I just kind of want to cheat on my diet a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna treat ourselves today. Plus I feel like I'm gonna be working off these calories, or at least that's what I tell myself. Do you guys do that too? Like, you'll eat something like disgustingly like fat or greasy, and then you justify it because you're gonna be like working out or whatever. We all know that it's probably, I don't work out, but it probably takes a lot of hours working out to burn off like all the junk food I would eat every day if I was eating the way I wanted to.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
It's going good. It's gonna be 1164 for you today.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Brown sugar, oat milk shaken.
Thank you.
Spicy falafel.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You know what it is. Shaken espresso. We'll put it back here. We'll punch it in. Man, they screwed up. Who the heck is... This is not mine. Do I look like a... Does that say Shelly on it? Here, I'll punch it in. Does that say Shelly? Dude, I just got Shelly's shaken espresso, and it probably has milk in it. I'm gonna be screwed. Let's see. Hold on, let's check it out. Blonde espresso. What does blonde mean? Dang it. Isn't blonde like extra milk? What the heck? What is blonde? I don't know these coffee terms, dude. Well, I'm not gonna do it while I'm driving, but dang it, I'm not gonna drink this because it's gonna mess me up, dude. All right, let me check it out. Hold on, guys. Hey Siri, what is a blonde shaken espresso? I hate Siri. Do you guys hate Siri? She's stupid, man. Let me go to ChatGPT. Hey, what is the term blonde shaken espresso? Does that mean that it has more milk?
Good question. Yeah, so a blonde shaken espresso usually refers to a version made with a blonde or lighter roast of espresso. It doesn't necessarily mean more milk, it's just a smoother, sweeter flavor from the lighter roast. But you can still customize it by adding more milk if you like.
All right, so I guess, I don't know if you guys heard it on the microphone, but I guess it's just a light roast, which maybe, I mean, it tastes good. Let me try it again. But I think it doesn't have oat milk. It has regular milk, I think. Man, it tastes good, but it might tear me up, man. I'm gonna drink it anyways. I'm at home, so it is what it is. You can't, guys, you can't let something like that bother you and ruin the rest of your day. I know that maybe for some of you, coffee is like at the top, like you gotta have your coffee or you're gonna be like pissed the rest of the night or the rest of the day or whatever. It's gonna ruin your day. But I'm gonna challenge you guys to, let's change our attitude to stuff like this. See, that's how I'm kind of like handling life right now. It's that I try not to let things like that bother me and just change my attitude and my mood for the day. Yeah, am I bummed because I didn't get, you know, you kind of program your mind and you set your like your mood and vibe because you expect to receive something, right? I was expecting to have that shaken espresso with oat milk and have it be the hazelnut one or whatever their standard, you know, flavoring is. And instead I got something sugary, which I hate. I don't like sweet stuff like that. And you know what? It doesn't taste that bad. And whatever, it is what it is. I'm at home today. I do have to go see my kids do a Taekwondo test, so hopefully I'll take you guys for that. I'm trying not to ramble between these drives, so that way I can make the vlog a little bit shorter. So let's go to the hardware store, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right, guys, we're here. Let's see. It looks like it says Shelly Schurler? What does that say? Here, I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna punch in. We'll test out the AK on this camera, but what does that say? Brown sugar oat shaken espresso blonde espresso. Total 2. What does 2 mean? Is that extra? Oh, dang, dude, I'm caffeine sensitive. Dude, this is like a formula to screw my day up. Hey, just coming to get some paint.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Same stuff we got yesterday. I need eggshell, not the semi-gloss.
Okay.
Yeah, eggshell, cloud white. All right, let's see. We got the pan. What else? What did I need? Oh yeah, wood or drywall filler. Oh, here he goes. I think this is what we need right here. High strength, small hole repair, primer enhanced spackling compound. All right, we got that. What else do we need? We need this is for like nail holes, right? My kids have like a bunch of nail holes in there. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. Yep. All right, let's do that. What else? We got the paint.
Need a painter's tape, brushes.
We got brushes, we got rollers, we got the extension. What do I need? I feel like I'm missing something, I feel like, but...
Paint tray.
Paint tray. Oh, we got a paint tray. Good. Yeah. I think I'm good. I think just repaint.
Did you want to get a scraper?
Yeah, yep, this is what I was looking for. Something like this right here. This is perfect. Yeah, just for like the little side little edges. Okay, that's what I was missing. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I was like, this is what I needed right here. All right. Do I just check out?
She'll take care of you over
all
there.
right. Thank you.
You got okay?
Yeah, I think we're good. All right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have fun now.
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you today?
Pretty good.
Do you want a bag for all the little things?
Yes, please. I appreciate it.
You got it. Hey,
Thank you.
good day.
I appreciate you.
Thank you.
All right, we got all our stuff. I almost forgot the scraper. Let's get Shelly's coffee. Thank you, Shelly. Man, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's the coffee or Shelly's coffee, but I mean, I'm okay. It's just my stomach. Yoo-hoo! Hello! I don't think anybody's home. All right, guys, let me show you let me set this stuff. DJI Nano suction cup mount. This mount right here is awesome. I'm honestly gonna buy a second one. It's the Osmo, I don't know, mount that comes with the DJI Nano. I don't know if they even sell it separately, but it is amazing. It does hold the Action 6 as well, so way easier to mount than the big car mounts. You really don't need anything. You really don't need anything crazy big for like action cameras. Let me see. What the heck? Oh, I was looking for my Action 6 camera and I'm holding it, vlogging with you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, let me show you. So I took off these doors. My wife hates these closet doors. They're from like the 60s, but the tracks and all that stuff constantly like break off and then they don't close and then they're falling off. And yeah, it's, I don't know what you call these, like accordion doors or whatever. Here it is. Let me turn on. I got my photography lights right here that I'm using to get more light in here. So we took off the closet doors, painted all the trim that was all wood, painted this wall. There's some holes in here. I don't know if you guys can see them. I'm gonna cover those little holes with, there's a hole up there. Just a bunch of different little holes here that I need to cover up just to make it look nice, little details. Did the trim there. I'm gonna have to wipe some of that paint I did spill. I've been using this plastic thing, but you know, you'll still get paint. I'm not a professional, so my hand isn't the best. And then here's the, let me see if I can, I'm trying to point the light over there. But this is the wood panel. Oh, can turn this on too. Yeah, this is the wood paneling that I painted. We did the gloss on this side. As you guys can see, it's shiny here, but then it gets like matte. So I'm gonna paint over this right here. This turned out real nice. So painted this, painted the door. I still gotta paint the other side of the door, but that's what I did. I'm gonna do another coat on this side, and then the ceiling needs painting. There's, you can see there's patches still, so I need to do a whole coat. We're gonna take this old thing off and then install this new one that my wife got. So I'm probably going to leave the rest for another vlog. I'm trying to keep these vlogs under like 10 minutes, guys, so that way you guys can actually enjoy it and I have like a 20-minute vlog. But sometimes there's a lot to vlog, a lot of stuff happening throughout the day. So it's cool because now I feel like I can break down the vlog. Like I can vlog for a whole day and have like 2 episodes, because I'm gonna start treating this kind of like Luis's daily life or whatever, kind of like show vlog channel. So that's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, it's gonna make it a lot easier. That's where we're at, guys. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for following the vlog, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.